Yes guys. In this video I am going to play a sound that only boys can hear. Yep. You heard it right. But you may wonder, what about girls? Right? Only a few girls can hear this too, yes. Very few girls can hear this sound. So let's see if you can hear that sound, or not. Ready guys? Only some fast peoples can like the video before we start. In 3, 2, 1. Did you hear it? What? Not really? Alright. Let me play it again with its maximum volume. But first, hit the subscribe button to increase the volume. In 3, 2, 1. Can you hear this sound? Tell me in the comments.